Assalamualaikum and good evening. Hello everyone. I'm Farah and they are all my group from 87. We have Wadi, Naziha, Hawa, Fazlin and Najiha. Today we are going to talk about healthy diet. So guys, what is a healthy diet? All humans have to eat food for growth and maintain of a healthy body. But we humans have different nutrition requirement as infant, children, teenagers, young adults and senior. For example, infant may require feeding every 4 hours until they gradually age and begin to take in more solid food. Eventually, they develop into the more normal pattern now of eating 3 per day as young kid. However, as most parents know, kids, teenagers, and young adults often snack between meals. Okay, first, a healthy diet is one that help maintain or improve overall health. A healthy diet provides the body with essential nutrient, fluid, macronutrient, micronutrient, and adequate calories. A healthy diet may contain fruit, vegetables, and whole grain and include little to no processed food and sweetened beverage. Last but not least, a healthy diet also can make our body stay slim and fit too. Wadi, do you want to share something with us about this topic?
Yes, thank you, Farah. My name is Wadi. The question is, men or women are concerned about their food behavior. Okay, according to the diet culture by Malaysian, women are more concerned in practice a healthier diet of food compared to men. This is because women are known in maintaining their weight and beauty. And then in 2018, one research study conducted by University of New South Wales, women may be more obese than men. This is due to the one hormone. It's called hormone estrogen that only found in the woman body. Why? Women also tend to need a fewer calories than men. They require for a certain vitamins and minerals are much higher than men. It is because of the hormone changes that associated with menstruation, childbearing, and menopause. And last but not least, other than that, women in Malaysia also take a proper supplements to maintain a healthy food taker. Appearance is the most important part of them because it will show a good value of themselves. This is my opinion. How about you, Siti Hawa?
Okay, thank you, Adi. Assalamualaikum and good evening. I am Hawa. I would like to talk about the eating habit of Malaysian. Malaysians are famous for their eating habit where there are a wide variety of foods from different cultures, and we often eat more than our bodies need. Malaysians like to try something new, especially when the food has gone viral. Any tasty food will be taken without thinking about the effect on their health. Due to this habit, it is not surprising when studies show that the population of this country who are obese is increasingly a cause of health problem in Malaysia. Besides that, Malaysians like to eat fast food. Fast food seems to have become the culture and pride of those who enjoy it from breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Other than that, Malaysians like to eat at late night. Restaurants and stalls scattered in Malaysia, which are open 24 hours, make many people spend their leisure time eating and drinking until late at night. The people of this country are indeed lucky because they can eat 24 hours or more. Precisely, if it is said that Malaysian is a food paradise. Malaysians have to change their bad habit, start with the healthy plate Malaysia, a concept-based tip of dividing a plate into three parts, namely quarters half. The first quarter is filled with protein, such as fish, chicken, meat, and legumes, while the second quarter is filled with carbohydrates, such as rice, noodle, bread, and cereals. The remaining half consists of fruit and vegetable. Thus, it is very important for people to reduce and take care of their bad habit about food if they want to live a healthy life every day. That's all from me, and I would like to pass to Ziha to continue. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Howard. I am Naziha. I would like to share with you guys about Atkins diet. I guess maybe all of you have heard about Atkins diet before, but I would love to share some more about Atkins diet. The Atkins diet is a popular low-carbohydrate eating plan developed in the 1960s by cardiologist Robert C. Atkins. The Atkins diet restricts carbohydrates while emphasizing protein and fats. So here I would like to highlight about 4 phases of the Atkins diet. But it's depending on your weight loss goals, and you can start at any of the first 3 phases. Okay, for the phase 1, a person consumes less than 20 grams of carbohydrates each day. At this stage, carbohydrates come mainly from salad and vegetables, which are low in starch. The eater eats high-fat, high-protein food with low carbohydrates vegetables, such as leafy greens. Okay, for the phase 2, people gradually introduce nutrient-dense and fiber-rich foods as additional source. This food includes nuts, seeds, low-carb vegetables, and small amounts of berries. People can also add soft cheese in this phase. For the phase 3, eaters increase their carbs intake by 10 grams each week. Weight loss will be slow. They can start introducing legumes such as lentils and beans, fruit, starchy vegetables, and whole grains to the diet. And lastly, for the phase 4, the eater starts adding a wider range of carb source while carefully monitoring their weight to ensure it does not go up. Net carb intake will vary between individuals, but it will usually be between 40 to 120 grams a day. That's all from me. So what about you, Fazlin? Do you have something that you want to share with us?
Okay, thank you, Nur Naziha. Okay, my name is Nur Fazlin Fahana. Okay, I would like to share about intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a diet by regulating food patterns. Fasting is the only difference that certain period of time. However, this diet allows us to drink water during fasting period to avoid dehydration. This diet not only helps reduce the intake of food, but also can regulate the period for eating and the period of fasting. Okay, I'm not to deny the paleo diet, Atkins, reduce carbohydrate in our meals and others. But in my personal opinion, we have the sunnah, right? Okay, we can follow the sunnah, which is Rasulullah SAW fasted a lot for various reasons. So intermittent fasting is the best way for our body and good for our stomach. Which is our intestine can rest within 12 to 16 hours. But it depends on what time you want to start it. For example, if you start at 6:13 p.m., tomorrow at 9:30 a.m., there will be breakfast. If you start at 8:30 p.m., at 11:30 in the morning, just start eating breakfast or eating or breakfast lah. if you hungry, in between you can drink boiled water, drink salt water, green tea, coffee, and tea. But green tea, coffee, and tea all without sugar or milk. Okay. The benefit of intermittent fasting is can make us healthful. When we are fasting, our body will release hormone where the fat burning effect produce the formation of the new cell. That means when we fast, there is a process for renew new cells. Okay. Other than that, intermittent fasting is able to lower our cholesterol through this fasting can lower our cholesterol level, LDL, triglyceride, and bad cholesterol. So we don't need to take the medicine, we just need to fast. That's all from me, and I would like to pass to the last person, Nur Najiha.
Thank you to my dear friends. I am Nur Najiha Bintamuddin. So I'm going to explain about low carbs diet, which can be applied on our healthy diet. Okay, a low carb diet is a diet that restricts carbohydrates, such as those are found in sugary food, pasta, and breads. There are many different types of low carb diet, and studies shows that they can cause weight loss and improve our health. So your food choice depends on a few things, including how healthy you are, how much you exercise, and how much weight you have to lose. So there are few foods to avoid when you apply this diet. One of them is you need to cut down sugar intakes, like soft drinks, fruit juice, candy, ice cream, and many other products that contain added sugar. So next, we need to refine grains such as wheat, rice, bread, cereal, and pasta. Especially we as a Malaysian, we like to eat rice, and rice should be avoided if you are applying this diet. So in addition, we have to avoid highly processed foods like Maggi, burgers, and any food that is made in a factory. Last but not least, it is best to limit starchy vegetables in your diet if you're following a very low carb diet. So what base can you consume during this diet? Okay, you can have meat such as beef, lamb, chicken, and fish like salmon, trout, haddock, and many other wild caught fish. Next, you can also have egg because it is enriched in protein and omega-3. Furthermore, we can eat a lot of vegetables and fruits such as spinach, broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, apple, oranges, strawberries, and blueberry, which is very good for our skin as well. If you need to lose weight, be careful with cheese and nuts as it's easy to overeat them. Okay, so that's all from my group. Thank you for your time and all the best for your diet and healthy life, and have a nice day. Thank you.